Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain what task-based language teaching is, its main steps, strengths, weakness, and an example of how it can be implemented. My name is Anissa Khairatul Kamalia, and today I'd like to share with you about task-based language teaching. Definition: Task-based language teaching, or TBLT, is a language teaching approach that uses meaningful tasks as the central unit for planning and instruction. It emphasizes the use of language as a tool for achieving communicative goals rather than as an end in itself. The main goal of TBLT is to enable learners to communicate effectively in the target language by focusing on real-life tasks that require the use of the language as a tool. It aims to develop fluency, confidence, and practical communication skills, not just mastery of grammar and vocabulary. The steps of TBLT. TBLT typically follows the three main steps. First, pre-task phase. The teacher introduces the topic and the task. Then, the teacher may provide key vocabulary or language structures needed. And students can prepare ideas or strategies for completing the task. Second, during task phase, the students perform the task, usually in pairs or groups. So, the teacher monitors and supports but lets students use language actively. And focus is on meaning and successful task completion. Third, post-task phase. The students reflect on their performance. So, the teacher may give feedback, highlight useful language forms, or work on accuracy. And then, follow-up activities to extend learning. The example like presentations or discussions. So next, the strengths of TBLT. 1. Encourage real communication and interaction. 2. Increases learner motivation as tasks are often engaging and relevant. 3. Develops problem solving and collaborative skills. 4. Promotes natural language use like fluency and negotiation of meaning. 5. Language learning becomes meaningful because it is tied to a purpose. So, the weakness of TBLT is some learners might struggle if they are used to more structured, grammar-focused lessons. So, tasks may be too challenging if not well designed or if learners don't have enough language resource. Then, may not focus enough on accuracy, especially at lower levels. So, teachers need good planning and flexibility, which can be demanding. The example of implementation: imagine an upper intermediate class with the topic maybe planning a business trip. And first, at the pre-task phase, the teacher asks, what things do you usually plan for a business trip? So, the class brainstorms vocabulary like itinerary, visa, booking, agenda, or etc. So, the teacher gives a short video or article about a successful business trip for context. And then, during task phase, in groups, students create a detailed plan for a 3-day business trip to another city or country. So then, they discuss transportation, accommodation, meetings, and social events. So The task is to present their plan and justify their choices. So the class discussed the different plans and suggest improvement. That concludes my presentation on task-based language teaching. I hope you found it informative and useful. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.